I bought the Samsung T7 Shield 4TB SSD, and this has been one of the best investments for my content creation. This is one of the thinnest and the smallest SSD out there, and I absolutely love it. It comes with 3 years limited warranty, and it is so portable that you can easily carry it in your pocket. The speeds are up to 1050 MB per second, which is really good. They claim that it also has 3 meters drop resistance and IP65 water resistance. Now that is a claim I have not tested. Packaging is also pretty solid. So on the other side, we see it is password protected, 3 meters drop resistance, which we already saw, water and dust resistance. It is also compatible with any operating system, so you can easily use this with Windows, macOS, or even Android. Now let's do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. So the first box contains cables. I'll keep that aside. And then you have the main box, which reveals the Samsung T7 Shield. Now, first impression, it looks very solid, very rugged, and I'm sure, even if I drop it, it's going to be protected. It has these really nice grooves which make it look even more rugged. And on one side there is the USB-C port along with the light indicator, and nothing on any other side. So very neat design. I really like the ruggedness, and that is why it is called the T7 Shield, because it's unlike the regular SSD. They claim that this is more protective because of the outer shell covering, which is unique. So we have a booklet here, and as mentioned out on the box, you have a USB-C to USB-C cable. I think it is short, but yeah, it's durable. And a USB-A to USB-C cable. So let me test the speed of the T7 Shield. So I'll open up the Blackmagic Speed Test software that I've just installed, and I will select the target device or the target drive. So here it's doing a stress test based on the size of the file. It's 5 GB by default. So I'll select T7 Shield as the target drive, and I'll open it and click on speed test start. So this is the moment of truth. Samsung claimed that this would do 1050 megabytes per second of write speed and 1000 megabytes of read speed, but you can already see that write speed is slightly lesser than 1050. I'll run it twice just to be sure the reading is correct. So it's around 850 megabytes per second write speed, which is not bad, but still it's not 1050 as they claimed. And the read speed is pretty low because again they claim 1000 megabytes per second, but it is only 647 megabytes per second. And here it also shows the different codecs and the resolution that the drive supports and what may not work really well. So that's some good piece of information. And I have also connected this to the USB-C port of my MacBook Pro using the same cable that came in the box, so it's directly connected. Now let me quickly pull up my Seagate 2 TB hard disk drive just to show you how much of a difference is in the sizes of these two devices. Now hard disk drive is definitely slower. I'll be using it mostly to store all my old content, and the T7 Shield is what I'm planning to use for editing my videos on the go and put all the new footage into it. So yeah, definitely a huge difference in their sizes. T7 Shield looks really tiny in front of the massive hard disk drive, which also in fact is sleek and not very big. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.